Today we're gonna be reviewing Robert's Berry. Robert's Berry is a berry company which I think they sell berries in this cup which you can drink. They say the product is all the way from Finland and is 100% natural and wild berries. I do believe them when they say that, but I want to see if they taste good and if it's worth waiting and purchasing this product. As you can see, the packaging came out pretty good. I really like it. I really like the tape too, and the box is pretty good. There's not an already used one, I think. So we're gonna open. Let's see if I can successfully open it up. Okay, now the box is open, so the packaging is really professional. It came with the invoice, which I lost a few couple seconds ago. So let's see it. Here's a greetings card and thank you. And over here has another paper of their company and what's it about. Okay, so let's see the product. Let's see how the cups look like. Okay, so it has really easy packaging. Oh wow! And here they are. The containers are actually way bigger than I thought. I expected them to be here. So let's see the inside. Now we're gonna shake it before use. As it says here, shake drink. Okay, now it's shaked. And let's see the drink. At first I thought I opened it wrong, but then I realized like this is the product, which is really smart. So it doesn't spill it. So over here is plastic. And there's a drinking. So smart packaging. I was not expecting that. I thought it was like ice or plastic. Let's see how.